What I love about the IEEE engineering program is that it can steer me in the right direction for my future. It'd definitely be helpful for students who know they want to be an engineer, but they don't quite know what type of engineer they want to be.
My biggest surprise coming here was all the different age groups that would be here, and even people from different parts of the world.
It's just interesting to be around all these people with the same interests as me. We have to learn to mesh our ideas to create something better.
What is similar about all of the camp locations is the energy of the students. They are so interested, they're so active, they're engaged, they're learning.
It's a lot of teamwork. Every single time you get a new activity, you get a new team, you learn how to work together and build, and design, and engineer.
It surprised me how good the teachers are. They're not only really good teachers, but they're also really fun to be around.
I'm currently attending Dartmouth College. I also just recently interned for NASA. Being able to see them work together, it makes me feel like I'm doing my job right.
Anybody with any experience level can get something out of coming to the camp.
The education process here is focused around having fun. 100% of the time, there's no standardized testing. It's just projects, projects, projects.
The dorms is pretty fun, and it's pretty easy to make friends.
A great thing about this program is it has a balance. It has a balance of academics and free time and enjoyment. Well, it's still a summer, so it should still be a good mix of both. Do some sports, you go to the park, you go outside.
Field trips during the week are typically academic-based. Vaughn College of Aeronautics went to LaGuardia, where they got to see all the engineering on the runway. UC Riverside got to see the Aerospace Corporation, and then Texas A&M went to Johnson Space Center. They got to talk to all the engineers there and even see an astronaut suit up.
I feel like I'm learning more here because I learn more when I'm actually doing something, not when I'm just being told a fact.
I know that coming out of here, and I'm a rising senior, applying to colleges and selecting my majors, I have a sense of where I want to be when I grow up. So I think that's something that the campus offered me that I couldn't have found elsewhere.
The challenges we're facing, the kids of today will be the engineers of tomorrow who will solve all these problems.
When I'm an engineer, I want to come up with the technology to save lives.
I want to have the entire world advance together.
I want to make something that will change the world and change how we live.
Engineering is a profession where you can literally save the world. I consider it a superpower.